guys, welcome to Angie's Table. We're going to be continuing our Thanksgiving side series, and we're going to be making creamy garlic mashed potatoes, and this is Grace's recipe. So I'm not that great at making mashed potatoes, but Grace is really good, so it's her duty every year to make mashed potatoes on Thanksgiving. And so I'm going to be acting as her avatar, and I'm gonna do everything that she tells me to make this special recipe. So let's go and see what ingredients we'll need. What's our first step?
First step is to peel and slice the potatoes into about 1/2 inch slices.
So this is my tip when preparing veggies. I always have a plastic bag like this ready, and I have it in the sinks. I hate it when I'm taking the garbage out and my garbage can smells like onions and everything that's been in there for a couple days. Tie it up and throw it out where it's individually wrapped.
Okay, Angie, put the pot of water on the stovetop now and put it on high heat. And we're gonna bring it to a boil, and once that's on a boil, then we'll put the potatoes in. Okay, start slicing.
Like this?
Those are 1 inch slices.
What about I cut it in half like that?
That's fine.
Thank you. Like this, Grace?
Yeah.
Okay, you know I'm not good at following directions. I feel like you should have just done this.
Yeah, those are perfect. What?
Oh, am I perfect?
No, not perfect. It's better.
Is this good?
Yeah, those are good.
Is it to your liking?
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, now we're gonna put the potatoes into the pot of boiling water.
I hope I don't burn myself. I'm gonna do one at a time.
You can use the pasta strainer.
Oh, is that why you left it?
I use that to drain it too later. But I always put that on there. And then once we get all the potatoes in, we're going to lower the heat to medium-high.
So how long should we cook this for?
At least 10 minutes, but make sure to check using a fork. If it goes fully through the potato, it is fully cooked. Now we're going to mince the garlic.
Grace, I finished mincing my garlic. What's next?
Now you're going to add the butter and the garlic into a small pan, and we're going to simmer it until it's golden in color, and we will set it aside. And you'll know it's starting to cook when you can really smell the aroma of the garlic fill the whole room.
Okay. This is so much butter. This is why it's good.
Yep. That's the answer to everything.
Butter?
Yeah.
Oh, actually, the garlic smells so good.
Yeah, I'm telling you, that's when you know it's starting to cook. You don't want it to burn because then it's going to be bitter.
Oh, I think it's ready.
Okay.
아, 뜨거. I can't. It like doesn't even. It like I can't even scoop it up.
Those are ready.
Okay.
We're going to drain it into the stand mixer bowl.
Is it okay if it's really hot?
Yeah.
Okay. So I have all my potatoes in the stand mixer, and I'm keeping my eye on the garlic and butter. What's the next step?
Add the garlic butter mixture that is set aside directly into the stand mixer bowl. Alright, now add it in. You don't want to leave out any garlic.
Never.
Perfect.
How am I doing?
Good.
Thank you very much.
Alright, so now you're going to lock it up, and we're going to put it on medium power, and we're going to mix it until it's well blended.
I'm gonna put this cover on. Okay.
Okay, so now that it's well blended, I don't know if you guys can see. We're going to add the milk and the sour cream that we measured out. So go ahead and add that, and then we're gonna put it back on medium and mix it till it's well blended.
Okay, I'm adding this. Oh my God, it looks so good.
Wow, it's creamy.
Okay, now what's next?
All right, so now we're going to salt and pepper the potatoes. Our family doesn't really like it too salty. All right, and now we're going to lock it back up and then also mix it on medium.
I think we're done. Was I a good avatar today?
Not bad.
So you guys have to stay tuned because we have so much in store for this holiday. We have a bunch of holiday decor and
Holiday baking.
we have holiday baking going on, holiday decor, holiday vlogging, holiday everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and recipe, and I highly recommend you guys try this out because you'll receive so many compliments. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Let's eat. Essie, do you want some too? Very garlicky.